one of the first bills introduced in the session of Alberta's legislature that begins tomorrow will be a citizen initiative referendum law that will allow ordinary grassroots Albertans to put onto a province-wide referendum ballot what questions of provincial importance. If there are questions that people think that politicians or the legislature are not willing to address or to take on, the Citizens Initiative Law, which we will introduce in the days to come, will empower the people of Alberta to put on the ballot a vote on critical issues about our future, part of our broader agenda of democratic reform to empower ordinary Albertans.